This video shows how to buy shares of Pmv Pharmaceuticals Inc, ticker PMVP. PMV is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PMVP to locate the company listing. Select the result that matches Pmv Pharmaceuticals Inc. to open its page. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the page clearly shows Pmv Pharmaceuticals Inc. with ticker PMVP before proceeding. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.